We'll guide you through how to download and install the Kappa shader in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Shaders can completely switch up the look of Minecraft, and the Kappa shader is a really great pack. So let's go and get started. First of all, go and quit the game like so. Here we are on my desktop. So go and open up a web browser just like so. And what you want to do is go and type in Minecraft Kappa shader just like so. And then we can go to CurseForge just at the top here. Scroll down and you can read through the description and check out some images. It looks a really cool pack. Then what you can do is go over to the right and click on Files. Scroll down and you'll go and see the different options here. The main difference here is the different game versions, so you can look down this column. I like to go and have the most up-to-date one, which is 1.20.1, so I'll click on the three dots to the right and click on Download File. Now all we need to do is go and wait for it to go and download. As you can see, it's pretty much done like so. Now in order to go and use the shaders, we need to go and have something called OptiFine. OptiFine is a Minecraft optimization tool, and it also allows us to go and run shaders. So all you want to do is go and search for it like so and come to optifine.net. Now what you need to do is head to the top here and go and click on downloads, and you need to click on show all versions as we need an older version. And so then what we can do is go and get it for 1.20.1 as that is what the shader pack was for. So I'll go and click on download to the right. You'll go and get taken to an ad wall. Just be aware if you see a download button here, as the ad will vary, that it's for the ad, it's not for OptiFine. To get OptiFine, you need to wait for the skip button to be available in the top right. Then we can go and click on download and it will download like so. After we've downloaded it, we can continue. But before we start the install process, a big shout out to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. They're my go-to Minecraft server host. I'll put a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. They've got so many awesome features, for example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so there's a live chat, you can get help anytime you need it, ultra low latency, instant setup and so much more. As I said, there's a link down below, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice, which is super good. But now to go and continue with the guide, we need to come to the bottom and open up our file explorer. I'll go straight to my downloads like so. Now what we need to do is go and find OptiFine and we need to go and run it. So go and double click on it like so and it should go and open up. If it doesn't, maybe something else happens or nothing happens, this is because Java is not installed or it's not working correctly. So go and open up a web browser and you need to go to java.com, or you can just go and search for it, download Java and go and install it. After you've done that, you can return to OptiFine and right click on it, hover over open with and select Java. You may need to click on choose another app and it should then go and run. Then what you can do is go down and click on install like so, and it will go and install like so. Now, if you still can get it to work after installing Java, you may need to do something called a jar fix. We have got a guide on it, but it's pretty straightforward to do. Now, we need to go and open up the Minecraft launcher like this. Go to the left to the play button and make sure OptiFine is selected and click on play. Now, what we can do is go and install the shader pack. So what we need to do is go and click on options on the Minecraft home screen and then video settings. You'll see OptiFine in the bottom left, which means you've installed it successfully. Click on shaders. I've already got quite a few here. Yours may be empty. It doesn't matter though. Click on shaders folder. Now what we need to do is also go to our downloads folder and we can then go and drag in Kappa like so, and that's it. We've installed the Kappa shader. So you should then see it in this list here, double click on it to select it and press done. Now what we can do is get into a world and check it out. And so that's it guys. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.